On this episode of Peel Out Garage, we're picking up Harley's new bike.
Next to it, so the number plate in front guard.
Oh yeah.
We need to go in there. We need to go in there and see what's up there.
Does this please, Jake?
It does. Does it please you, Harley?
It does please me.
Are you pleased about your purchase?
I am pleased about my purchase.
That's good.
Very pleased.
You know we're putting pipes on it today, right?
No.
We are.
Calm down.
Well, we're not.
Pipes on it today.
We're heading home. We're out of here.
Pipes on it today. Can we
Yeah,
just
we will be.
dropping
He's
you off
right.
and we're leaving.
straight off
We'll be coming back
and then pipes?
with the trailer and then parts when I get home and send you a video.
Pipes on it today.
I'll let the cleaner into the back.
Well, I was thinking about going over the back there so that you won't see it start with. What do you reckon of that? Oh, actually.
What's the first mod?
First mod, exhaust. Then headlight.
Yeah, it's pretty gross.
Then tail colour.
I am interested about this crack.
Yeah.
Very,
Just bad roadworthy.
very roadworthy.
Yeah. Just like the indicator that doesn't work.
Doesn't work?
Doesn't
It's
work.
like-
What do you mean doesn't work?
And it doesn't turn on.
Doesn't turn on.
Doesn't do the flashing
one,
thing that indicators normally do.
So, have a look at the screws.
Is that one?
They're not LED.
Yeah, that one works. It's just the left one.
They're globe.
So they don't work?
Well, it's just a globe. It's a globe that's out.
This is the other one here.
Oh,
Probably blown globe.
Gotta be round up.
Look. I have the one.
I would presume about that.
Yeah, I think. I just had one.
Yeah. You see, mate, it's the headlight's
It is. Just because I wanted to keep it in the shed.
Yeah, how am I going to get away when I get pulled over like that?
Hiding?
Was. I'm just wrestling a freaking box of exhaust pipes over there.
Don't scratch my exhaust, not with the air.
It's a pretty good looking bike. I'm not sold on the handlebars.
Yeah, I'm not 100% sold. They're comfy though. I don't know.
Yeah, they are.
I'm just going to ride it for a while and see what I think.
Yeah.
The seat I'm not sold on at all. It looks like it's just going to kill you.
It's comfier than what it looks.
No, I doubt it.
But, I mean, it doesn't look
But
comfy.
I want you to ride for
Oh,
20 minutes and then tell me, oh,
Yeah.
well, that looks.
Yeah, no, we I had to ride for a bit before I tell you that. I'll get back to you on that one.
Yeah.
But it pushed against my tailbone, which actually kind of felt good.
Sorry, what?
Is that what she said?
It pushed against my tailbone, and yes, that's what she said.
Jesus. What's your favourite coffee, Harley?
don't really like coffee.
Harley,
I don't.
what's your favourite hot drink? What's your favourite coffee?
I like a sweet soy latte.
Why don't you like coffee? What's your
caramel latte. There, you happy?
That's better. Yeah, I am happy. Are you happy?
Full cream milk?
Bet you're happier now that
Nah.
you've admitted that you like coffee, aren't you?
Oh, I don't really like coffee.
Do you feel better that you've admitted you like coffee?
No.
Is it like a load? Off.
Don't they say that the first step is understanding that you have a problem? Yeah, admitting that you have a problem.
Well, I don't have a problem. It's everybody else that has the problem.
That's true.
No, it wasn't. It's Harley that's got the problem in the car. He's the one that doesn't like
Yeah,
coffee.
but we know that.
Yeah.
So we understand that, so that's the first step in our process.
Right, I get it. Yeah.
You know, that's why
It's the Harley
I
support
had a
group.
coffee this morning.
I didn't. Maybe that's why I'm cranky.
Maybe. You cranky?
I didn't have my soy latte this morning.
That lined up so well with cranky. Isn't that soy latte what you gave me to though?
When?
That time we bought it when we were staying in his place.
No, that was a chai latte.
Chai latte.
Chai lattes, they're good.
They are good.
They are good.
They don't do a lot for you though. Like they don't give you that hit that coffee gives you.
You know,
They don't give you
sometimes
what?
you just want to sit down and
They
relax.
don't give you the hit that coffee gives. You know how coffee like
Oh, the hit.
wakes
I thought
you up?
Said the I'm like, what?
Well, we were
No.
discussing it sometimes.
Coffee helps.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
This is a very interesting conversation.
It is. These are the conversations we have when we drive, and it's why we should vlog.
I got tons of soul, I'm a true collectible. Famous, so famous, number one, desirable. I do what I want, when I want, and how I want it. Leave you with the one in the air, that's how I roll. I got tons of soul, I'm a true collectible. Famous, so famous, number
And the sort of muffler.
Yeah, it's almost the same thing. You have that.
No, yours are shorter. There's nothing in them. They're just hot.
It's only 650. I'm not gonna make any noise.
Are you kidding me?
I'm worried about it.
You've heard his. He's got mufflers.
Yeah, I've got mufflers. You're the shorter, which means they're going to be louder.
I'm going to get a typical cruiser person.
People just think what?
I guess people just think I'm a short.
You are. Most of the
I've
time.
been nice.
Okay.
Is that actually electrical? Yeah, it is electric. I'm trying to figure it out. Ah, what's that?
Takes the purpose away from riding a bike.
It does.
If you have to have an electric bike, you should just like not. You should
Just get a motorcycle instead.
well, yeah.
stop
Like, why
half-assing
have an
it.
electric push bike? What is the point of an electric push bike?
You can't afford a motorbike?
But you can afford an electric push bike?
Yeah, I was going to say electric push bike.
It's not going to make you any less of a fat person.
No.
Well, I don't think a motorcycle would
Electric
either.
bikes are a few grand at least.
Depends on the electric bike.
top of the world. Top of the world. Yeah, top of the world.
Thanks for watching this episode of Pill Out Garage. Stay tuned for the next episode where we actually start modifying the bike.
And a champion, a champion.